Right now what I have for you is all of these wonderful fruits and vegetables, and I'm going to be hooking up my mango pico de gallo and my tomato pico de gallo. So I'm going to be using that to cook with to go on top of some steak tacos and some shrimp tacos. On top of that, I'm going to make some Mexican corn. So I'm very, very excited to show you guys. Right now it looks a little mess, but soon it's going to be a beauty. So, I would use like some applewood or some type of applewood or what is it, mesquite wood, but we're just gonna do it straight up because I don't want to take away from all the lovely spice nerves that I got going on my steak and shrimp. So, see, and my corn. Can't forget about the corn. Can't wait for that. So now it looks like everything is ready, so I'm gonna stop talking now. Alright, so I'm going to put my shrimp in my cast iron skillet. I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil here. I'm going to get it nice and hot. And while that gets nice and hot, we're going to add some of our lovely stock. First, I'm going to add the corn. Okay, guys, now for the love. We'll be back, but at least now you can see everything is coming to life. We just want these to saute. We're going to cook really fast, and this we want to get a nice sear on it. You can let it rest and cut it up good, and a nice toast on these. that my steak is done, I'll let it rest while I hook up my car. Hope you guys enjoyed my style of Mexican street food made right here in my backyard. Until next time, guys, gracias and adios.